Welcome to Horizontal Environmental Wells, Directed Technologies Drilling YouTube channel. DTD was formed in 1996 and focuses on the use of horizontal directional drilling methods for environmental applications. My name is David Bardsley. I'm a professional geologist and licensed well driller in several states. Horizontal wells are used for a wide variety of remediation solutions, including soil sampling, extraction of subsurface contaminants, and injection applications. Lately, we've seen a significant increase in the completion of horizontal injection wells. These wells can be utilized for the injection of air or any other substrate used for remediation solutions. Since 2014, DTD has installed over 100 horizontal injection wells across the United States. This list shows the type of amendments that have been injected through those horizontal wells. Note that the longest injection screen we've installed to date is over 1,100 foot for an Air Sparge application at a DoD facility. One comment we often receive is that it's impossible to get the injection fluid, whether it be air or a water-based substrate, to the end of a long horizontal screen. First things first, we almost never use a screen designed for a monitor well for an injection well. Each injection screen is designed for the specific conditions of the site. We look at the injection fluid. Is it air or a water-based substrate? What's the flow rate per unit foot of screen or the total flow across the whole well? What's the diameter and the composition of the well screen and casing? How far is the screen below the water table, and what type of formation are we in? We then take all the details and use math. That's right, this isn't some sort of voodoo or black magic. We use standard fluid dynamic equations to design a screen that delivers the injectate evenly across the screen based on all the project parameters. Think I'm crazy and it still can't work? Let's have a visual. This is a center point irrigation system. The red arrow indicates a well or other water source. Water is pumped along the length of the system and discharges through nozzles or emitters. So a fluid, in this case water, needs to travel along the length of a pipe and discharge along that length of pipe. Sounds kind of like a horizontal injection well. Well, it's not exactly the same. We do have to plug some sort of formation back pressure into our equations. Here's another visual from a camera placed inside of a horizontal Air Sparge well. This Sparge well is constructed in a blind or single entry borehole. We've placed the camera near the middle of the screen section and the compressor has started blowing air into the well from the surface. The well material is a 3-inch diameter fiberglass. The screen section is 300 foot in length and averages about 27 foot below the water table. As the air starts displacing the water in the well, sediment starts to move and the water gets cloudy. This well is located at a UST site and completed in a sandy formation near the Central California coast. The slot configuration is 10 slots per foot. Each slot is 15 thousandths of an inch wide by 1 inch in length. As the air moves down the well, the displaced water is forced out the screen openings. Note that we're seeing a little bit of weird flow as the water moves around the camera laying on the bottom of the well. The other important item to note is the air doesn't displace the water like a plunger. It flows on top of the water and forces the water out the bottom of the well screen. This type of air displacement in a horizontal well is quite common, and we'll show this in some other Air Sparge videos. I'll quit talking for a minute or so and let you enjoy the video. By the 6-minute mark, most of the water is displaced from the entire screen section. By the 9-minute mark, all the water has been removed from the well screen and air is discharging to the formation. When the air is turned off at the 10-minute and 30-second mark, water starts to flow from the formation back into the well screen. This video shows that air can indeed reach the end of a horizontal air sparge screen. Thanks for watching our horizontal air sparge video. If you have any questions or require further information, please visit our website or call at 800-239-5950.